ran out of the prison quickly, then found his lawyer Jesse. Asked Jesse if there was a way to go back in time. Jesse told him there is a time machine on Earth. So the two drove to find the time machine. Halfway there, they met Lisa, who had also been dormant for 500 years. But before they could get very far, Nick was caught by a group of police again. But this time, the well did not go to jail. Instead, he was sent to the White House. It turned out that Nick had answered the question of the century, which they thought was impossible to answer. The White House executives took him very seriously. Nick took a look. The Secretary of Energy was a kid. The Secretary of Defense was a fat man. And the President was a 5-time boxing champion, a black man. The President was very positive about Nick. He appointed Nick as the Minister of Interior directly, and he asked him to solve the problem of the crops not growing, and then held a speech to inform the nation. Nick could only agree to do so first, but he did not forget the task of finding the time machine. He first asked Jesse to draw a map of the time machine, then he led the people to the land to find out why the crops were not growing. When he found Lisa and wanted to take her with him to run away, when he opened the map Jesse had drawn, the two of them were completely dumbfounded. They should not have trusted him in the first place. There was no choice. The two of them had to go back first. On the way back, they found out the reason why the crops had not grown. It turned out that what people were watering the crops with was not water. It was actually a drink.